Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today we got this VX125 with a nasty rattling noise from the engine right by the clutch cover. The kind of noise that gets louder as you rev. If you've worked on these bikes, you know what that is. The timing chain is stretched past its limit and screaming for a replacement. But we're not doing this the hard way. No pulling the cylinder, no tearing the clutch apart, no removing the flywheel, no spending 2 days on a simple job. I'm going to show you the smart way to replace the timing chain on a VX125 using a chain breaker and a trick that'll save you a ton of time. First, tools. You'll need a new timing chain, good quality, a chain breaker with a pin pusher and riveter, a socket wrench for the crankshaft in wire or a temporary master link, and basic sockets for the plastics and valve cover. Get everything ready before you start. Nothing worse than having the bike apart and realizing you're missing a tool. Let's get to work. Strip the bike down, pull the side plastics, the fuel tank if it's in the way, and expose the engine. Carefully remove the valve cover. Golden rule: before you loosen a single bolt, clean around the valve cover with a rag and a grease. If dirt falls into the engine when you lift that cover, it's swimming around in your oil for a long time. Covers, chain in sight. Now the step people skip and regret later. Set the engine to top dead center. The timing marks on the cam sprocket have to line up perfectly with the head surface on the piston at the very top. Mess this up and you'll bend valve. Turn the crankshaft with your socket wrench until everything lines up. Perfect. Engine on TDC. Now the fun part. Take your chain breaker, position it over a pin on the old chain, and slowly tighten the extractor. This isn't a race. You want the pin to come out clean without damaging the side plates. A few more turns, the pin pushes through the other side. Keep going until it's all the way out. Don't lose it. We'll reuse it. Chain's open. Pay attention. This is the money shot. Take your new timing chain and, with thin wire or a temporary master link, attach it securely to the end of the old chain. Has to be solid, because if it comes loose inside the block, you're in for trouble. We're using the old chain as a guide to pull the new one through the entire internal path around the crank sprocket and up the block. Here comes the magic. Slowly rotate the crankshaft with one hand. Guide the new chain with the other. The old chain comes out link by link. The new chain follows the exact path around the crank sprocket and up the timing tunnel. Best part? You never lose your timing marks. Not for a second. Cam sprocket stays aligned, crankshaft stays put, and the new chain slides into place like it's always been there. Smooth as butter, no forcing, no prying, just pure mechanical elegance. New chain made its full lap and shows up at the top. Disconnect the old chain. It did its job. Remove the wire and close the new chain. Use the chain breaker in reverse. Insert the new pin and rivet it. The rivet has to be firm, but the link should move as freely as the others. If it's stiff, fix it before closing up. Quality control time. Double check your timing marks. Crankshaft at TDC. Cam sprocket aligned. Chain properly tensioned. Clean the valve cover mating surface. Install the new gasket. Tighten bolts in a cross pattern to the right torque. Don't eyeball it or you'll warp the cover and get an oil leak. Here's why this method is so good. We didn't touch the cylinder or the head gasket. Zero risk of compression loss. No base gaskets to buy. No coolant to drain. The bike is exactly as it was, but with a new timing chain. What would take a whole afternoon, you knocked out in under an hour. The engine is perfect. Alright guys, that's it for today. If this VX125 trick saved you time or taught you something, smash that like button, subscribe for more workshop wisdom, and comment your most frustrating motorcycle repair story. I want to read your mechanical horror story. Big hug. Good luck in the workshop. See you on the next one.